Yeah, Teresa, salute. Now, they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like, share, and drop comment. Arsenal 3 and Manchester United 2. And we get Oga God doing like saying now Ogbonge Red Devil, Ogbonge Manchester United fan make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Godwin, now how you see this game today? We'll start from there first. Before you go enter only your team performance. How you see the performance from the both sides?
The performance from the both sides na accurate. So they are to play wetin dem fit play, dem play their best. Today match na be real football. After World Cup final, which is their France and Argentina. Na this one again I believe say football football sweet. Yes o.
You know to pay you like
Yes,
that.
no pay me at all, no pay me my brother. I no expect say Man U go perform like this, but their performance today e sweet me reach my belle. I still dey proud of say dem try today. Yes.
So, but I want to ask you about Marcus Rashford because to me, the kind of form where Rashford dey now, any defense when face Rashford, you must hear them for your hand. And today, in show workings, in worry this Arsenal defenders well. How you see the kind of form when Rashford dey? Last season we see a different Rashford. This season the kind of Rashford that we dey see now. It be like saying that the player when we know before now we dey see. How you dey see Rashford now as a Man U supporter?
Even myself shock me since when Rashford come back from World Cup the form wey Rashford pick e come be like say na Rashford we know before. Na him be the one we see na every matches you must see him attempt, you must see him goal, you must see him assist, you must show say him dey match. Rashford fit if you continue like this abeg e good. I like this in performance this season. I like am well.
So, Oga Godwin, with all this one where you dey see, how high you dey predict say Manchester United go finish the Premier League table by the end of this season?
For me I dey wish Man U second or third. Na there we dey go because I know say inside the fourth we dey inside. So second or third na there wey Manchester wan go land like this.
So you dey talk about second now. Manchester United still dey for the title race with wetin you dey see.
Yes na like now Man City I know say dem dey top us but with the matches wey dem get ahead I believe say dem must lose and we go use our opportunity come up. Yes.
So one last question before I let you go, Oga Godwin. Now how you see the work wey Eric ten Hag dey do? Previous last season we see say the team dey struggle, but this season today, even if say they lose against this Arsenal side, they go raise their head up high, say we come Emirates Stadium, we show working, we no hide, we try, we play them football. Arsenal too, see no say they play better team. How you see the work when your manager dey do for your club?
The manager he try well this season I give am hand clap. I dey always talk this thing say this wetin him perform this season e good e get better future for Man U. Na this kind coach you dey find wey be say when e dey change player to come change pattern of football. No be the one be say we go dey insult am from starting of match say which kind 11 dem win bring, which kind players dem wey wan start match. But this one he get confidence for him players and him players dem dey deliver the way he want am. Yes, I give am ogbonge salute for that one.
Okay, but I wan ask you about Arsenal. How you dey see Arsenal team? They be title contenders or they no be title contenders?
Arsenal na title contender for that one. Arsenal make dem carry am. If Arsenal no make dem carry go, if Arsenal no collect this trophy this season no say e go hard for them because this season dem good full body, dem good reach ground, so I give am for them.
So as a Man U fan, you throw salama for Arsenal?
Throway am for well. Wetin dem do today make dem collect the thing. Dem try well. For them to play Man U this ball wey dem play like this, show Man U say e no go come win me 2 leg. Dem try, I give them that one.
All right, now God Godwin, thank you. My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.